Hey athletes, welcome to UP. I got another unboxing video for you guys today. So I ordered a bunch of stuff on Temu, about $70 worth. As soon as I opened the app, I lost control of my body and I just bought all this. And yeah, I'm ashamed of myself. Just tapping and swiping. It was the best shopping spree I've ever had in my life. So let's see if I regret these purchases. Okay, so I ordered 5 of these in medium. There's no like text on the inside. Let's confirm that there's 5 of these shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good. We'll see the Mario one pretty soon. So this is a phone holder that attaches to your rear view mirror. And I must comment on the state of this box. It's all beat up, it's opened. The actual thing is somewhere in here. I think this is it. Yeah, it's part of it. Yeah, more parts. We'll put it together. This is a phone clamp. What I like about this is that it can go vertical or horizontal if you wanted it to, or diagonal if you're weird like that and you want to do them Dutch angles. Yeah, and you can attach it to a tripod. So this is a wireless lav mic or lavalier mic for your phone. So this is the part that you plug into your phone. Then it comes with 2 lav mics here, both wireless, and then you use this to charge up your lav mics. And we'll see if it actually works. This is to protect the area around your cameras. This is for iPhone 14 users. I bought a second phone clamp. Ta-da! Oh, there it is. Mario, Luigi. I'm going to Halloween dressed as Bowser this year. I need someone to be my Mario and Luigi, so applications are open. Hit me up. These are reflective bands you can wear around your wrist, I believe. It comes with 2. Okay, so there's really only one size. There's no like room for adjustability. Sometimes I like to scooter around at night, so this will help me be seen. Ta-da!
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
I don't know what this is for. It's a tongue scraper. Oh, little pieces on the bottom. These probably belong to the phone holder for your car. So I don't know what this thing is. I totally forgot. Oh, it's a light stand. Something just fell out from the bottom. Oh, okay, it's one of the little rubber parts you put on the bottom. I can already see like a little dent right there. Not bad. This is a fun one. So this right here is something that you can attach to your tripod, and it allows you to have 2 things on the tripod. So for example, a camera and a light. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out. So that was actually the last thing that I ordered from Temu. So I'm gonna take the next few weeks to test out everything and really give you a good review of each item. The white shirts are light and breathable, but I'm giving them an A- because there's no tag to indicate which side is the back. I put on the shirt backwards one time, which made me confused and mildly sad. The reflective bands are fun. They definitely help you stand out in low light. However, these also get an A- because of their lack of adjustability. I tried to wear these on my wrist, but they were too loose. The Luigi hat played a pivotal role in my friend Peter's Halloween costume. He went as Army General Luigi, and I went as Gangster Bowser. I'm a sucker for dad hats, so this one gets an A+. What's the knob for? The phone holder was a little tricky for me to put together, but it's insanely good. A+ for sure. It lets your phone sit horizontally or vertically. My life is changed. It's extremely useful for making quick glances at your phone's GPS while driving. It provides a godly camera angle for FaceTime. This is the exact angle I've always wanted for FaceTime, as well as time lapses of road trips.
This is pretty cool.
The phone clamps are doing God's work. You want horizontal? You got it. Vertical?
Honey.
A+, hands down. It's leagues above the older phone clamps that I was used to. I would always lose the little rubber part, and the clamp would lose grip, and I would cry myself to sleep. The lav mics were absolute trash. Hear this audio. It's muffled and makes you feel like you've been shoved into a box. A cardboard one. with spiders in it.
Guess who's back? Oh, Hey!
D grade. For the tongue scraper, I'm not providing footage because that's pretty sus. My tongue feels cleaner, I guess. I'll give it an A. The phone lens protector fits. I'm giving it an A+ for now, and if my phone lens ever cracks, it will instantly drop to an F. The light stand gets a D, which stands for dent. It broke very easily because it was made out of cheap plastic. So I don't know if you see this part, but it's not supposed to break away from that part. The reason it's not an F is because it still somewhat works. The tripod attachment gets an A+, no complaints. The horizontal position eliminates the need for a second tripod, and the vertical position lets you extend the height of your tripod by several feet. And there you have it. There's our review. So here's a tier list of all the products that I just mentioned earlier. We got a lot of A's and we got a couple of D's. And that's okay, you know? That's better than what I expected. It's Temu, it's cheap products, so, you know, not all of them are going to be bangers. That's fine. So in conclusion, Temu, good. Thanks for watching. Stay athletic.